Hello again. There is plenty more wet and windy weather to come, especially at the weekend. But for most, it's a fine Thursday out there, dry and bright for the vast majority. It is turning a little cloudier through the afternoon to the sunshine becoming scarcer. And it's not completely dry. There are one or two showers around. And there will be some wet weather tonight from this big swirl of cloud, an active area of low pressure. That's heading up to the north, but this weather front will bring a band of rain across the country, already threatening parts of the Western Isles, bringing a bit more rain here through the afternoon and evening. But ahead of that, as I said, most places dry, a bit more cloud this afternoon, the breeze starting to pick up. One or two scattered showers over Wales, Western England, maybe along the south coast. But for the vast majority, as I said, it's dry and it's bright. It's not perhaps quite as mild as yesterday, but still temperatures around or a touch above average for the time of year, 13, 14. Couldn't rule out a 15 where it stays sunniest across parts of the east. However, we will see wet weather arriving overnight. Through the evening, it'll turn pretty soggy over the Highlands, the Western Isles, and then this band of rain swings across Northern Ireland before midnight, and then that marches its way across England, Wales and Scotland through the early hours. Doesn't reach eastern areas until Friday morning, so a largely dry night here. But as that moves through, it will be quite heavy. Notice some brighter colours there. Could be some intense bursts of rain. And again, as that rain moves in, the winds will just suddenly start to gust up. That line of rain also marks a boundary between some cooler conditions, which will arrive in the west. So it'll be a fresher night here. Late in the night, temperatures dropping down to single figures, well down in rural areas, but it will be quite mild again across the east. But it will be a bit of a wet start over parts of the Midlands, more central parts of southern England. Again, some heavy bursts of rain here that move towards East Anglia and the southeast through the morning rush hour. That does then scoot away. And then we're left with sunshine and showers, with a lot of showers for Northern Ireland and western Scotland, heavy blustery showers. A few showers for northwest England and Wales, but not too many for the Midlands, and after the early rain, East Anglia and the southeast should brighten up quite nicely by the afternoon. Again, though, it will be quite blustery, particularly in the west and the north, and those gusty winds making it feel quite cool, especially when the showers come along, 8 or 9 at best in the northwest. We might reach 14 or 15 early on across the southeast, but it will turn fresher here as that weather front moves through during the afternoon. Temperatures dropping away on Friday evening, the showers keeping going across western Scotland and Northern Ireland, the odd one elsewhere, but for many it'll be dry at first on Friday evening, but behind me, wet and windy weather is looming. Areas of low pressure which will spiral in just in time for the weekend. And actually quite a few of them all milling around, the isobars squeezing together at times as well. So expect the winds to get pretty lively, potentially very windy across the south, especially on Sunday. But low pressure promises further spells of rain. It won't rain all weekend, of course. There will be some drier slots, but overall it looks pretty soggy with spells of at times heavy rain and often very, very blustery. For the details, make sure you stay up to date with the forecast, and the best way to do that is to follow the Met Office on social media.